Did you know Americans waste over $20 billion every single year on unnecessary car repairs? That's right, much of that money goes to fixing engine problems that could have been easily avoided or solved at home for a fraction of the cost. The truth is, most drivers ignore simple fixes that could make their engine run like new again. In this video, I will show you 8 game-changing steps that can bring your tired engine roaring back to life. So stick around, because the final tip alone could save you thousands of dollars in unnecessary repairs. Let's dive in. Trick 1. Diagnose the problem before doing anything. Before jumping into repairs, it's critical to identify exactly what's wrong with your engine. Many people start replacing random parts hoping to solve issues, but this often leads to unnecessary expenses without fixing the core problem. By performing a proper diagnosis, you can find out whether your engine needs something simple, like new spark plugs, or something serious like a head gasket repair. Here is how to diagnose engine problems properly. Step 1. Plug the OBD2 scanner into your car's diagnostic port. Step 2. Turn the ignition on and perform a complete scan. Step 3. Read the error codes displayed on the scanner. Once you know the error codes, research what they mean and how they affect your engine. But diagnostics aren't just about reading error codes. Your senses are powerful tools too. Pay close attention to unusual sounds like knocking or ticking, smell for fuel leaks, and watch for symptoms like rough idling or black smoke. These clues help pinpoint specific failing components or clogged systems. Spotting them early gives you a head start, but solving them takes more than just spotting the problem. Keep watching, because the real work to make your engine run like new is just getting started. Trick 2. Change engine oil and use high-quality synthetic oil. If there's one secret that keeps engines running like new, it's this: never skip your oil changes and always use high-quality oil. Your oil lubricates all moving parts inside your engine, while old, degraded oil loses its ability to protect against friction. In fact, simply changing your oil on time can boost your engine's lifespan by as much as 75%. That's why real mechanics don't gamble with long oil change intervals. They stick to changing it every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, even with synthetic oil. Why? Because they've seen the damage sludge buildup causes inside engines after years of long interval changes. Here's how to change your engine oil like a pro. Step 1. Park your vehicle on a flat surface. Step 2. Turn on the ignition and run your engine for 5 to 10 minutes to warm the oil. This helps the cold oil to become thin and easy to drain completely. Step 3. Turn off the engine. Open the oil filler cap and pour the entire bottle of engine flush additive directly into the engine. Step 4. Restart the engine and let it idle only for 10 to 15 minutes. Step 5. Turn the engine off and place your oil catch pan directly under the oil drain plug. Step 6. Using the appropriate wrench or socket, loosen and remove the plug carefully and allow oil to flow completely into the catch pan. Step 7. Remove the old oil filter and replace it with a new one. Step 8. Once the oil stops dripping, clean around the drain hole and screw the drain plug back into place. Step 9. Now open the oil filler cap again and add fresh engine oil. After filling up to the recommended level, reinstall the oil filler cap. After a fresh oil change, you'll notice your engine running quieter, smoother, and cooler. If you're trying to make your engine feel like new again, regular oil changes using top-quality synthetic oil are non-negotiable. Trick 3. Clean the throttle body. One of the most overlooked yet powerful ways to make your engine run like new again is cleaning the throttle body. Your throttle body controls how much air enters your engine whenever you press the gas pedal. Over time, carbon deposits and grime build up inside it, causing the throttle plate to stick or not open smoothly. Cleaning it is simple, but makes a big difference. Here is how to clean your throttle body. Step 1. Locate your throttle body. It is usually located between the air intake and the intake manifold. Step 2. Disconnect the air intake hose to expose the throttle plate. Step 3. Using a throttle body cleaner spray, gently spray inside the throttle body while manually opening the throttle plate. Step 4. Use a clean cloth to carefully wipe away built-up carbon and dirt. Make sure everything is dry before reconnecting the intake hose. Step 5. Now reattach the intake hose. Step 6. Turn on the ignition and take your car for a test drive to check the smooth throttle response. Why does this help? A clean throttle body allows smooth airflow, helping your engine respond instantly when you press the gas. You'll notice better throttle response, smoother idling, and even slightly improved fuel economy. In some cases, cleaning the throttle body alone isn't always enough. If your engine air filter is clogged, fresh air still can't get in, no matter how clean your throttle body is. Trick 4. Replace your engine air filter. Believe it or not, your air filter plays a massive role in your engine's health. A clogged or dirty air filter prevents proper airflow, making your engine struggle to breathe. Ideally, you should change your air filter every 10,000 to 15,000 miles, or sooner if you drive in dusty areas. Replacing your air filter is one of the easiest methods, and here how to do it. Step 1. Open your car's hood and locate the air filter housing. Step 2. Unscrew the bolts holding the box cover in place and open the box. Step 3. Carefully lift out the old air filter and properly inspect it. A dark, dusty, or clogged filter indicates it needed replacement. Step 4. Place the new air filter into the housing exactly as the old one was positioned. Step 5. Close the air filter box cover and secure the screws firmly. Step 6. Close the hood and you're done. Now the question is, why does a clean air filter matter? Because clean air filter ensures clean air supply to the engine, and that fresh air lets fuel burn cleaner, faster, and more efficiently. The result? Your engine produces more power, runs smoother, and even improves fuel economy. Trick 5. Replace old and worn parts. Sometimes cleaning isn't enough. Certain parts in your engine just wear out over time and need to be replaced to get your engine running like new again. Parts like spark plugs, ignition coils, oxygen sensors, and the PCV valve work hard every time you drive. But after thousands of miles, they get tired and stop working properly. This causes your engine to lose power, burn more fuel, and run rough. Start with the spark plugs. If they're old or dirty, your engine won't burn fuel properly, leading to weak performance. Most spark plugs should be changed every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, depending on your vehicle. Next, check the ignition coils. If your car feels jerky or misfires, these might be the problem. Oxygen sensors usually last around 60,000 miles, but replacing them can instantly improve fuel efficiency and throttle response. Replacing these worn parts is like giving your engine fresh, strong muscles. After swapping them out, your car will likely start faster, drive smoother, and feel more powerful. Trick 6. Clean the fuel system. Here's a powerful secret that even some mechanics don't tell their customers. Cleaning your fuel system can dramatically revive your engine's performance. Over time, fuel injectors can get clogged, the fuel lines can accumulate deposits, and the combustion chamber can build up carbon residue. This grime reduces fuel flow, disrupts spray patterns, and prevents complete combustion, which may lead to rough idling, hesitation, and poor mileage. But the fix is surprisingly simple and effective. Use a high-quality fuel system cleaner. Every few thousand miles, pour a fuel system cleaner directly into your gas tank before refueling. As you drive, the cleaner works through your fuel lines, injectors, and combustion chambers, and dissolves those deposits. Some drivers report gaining back 5 to 10% in fuel economy after regular fuel system cleaning. Trick 7. Reset your engine control module. Think of your car's engine control module as its brain. It constantly learns and adapts to how your engine runs. But here's the catch. Over time, as your air filters clog, sensors get dirty, and parts wear down, your ECM quietly adjusts to these problems and creates bad habits that linger even after you fix the issues. Even after you clean your sensors or replace old parts, those bad habits often stick, leaving your engine running rougher than it should. Why? Because your ECM is still working with outdated data. To fix this, you need to reset it. To reset your ECM, you can simply disconnect your car battery for about 15 minutes. This clears stored adaptive memory and forces the ECM to restart its learning process once you reconnect the battery. Alternatively, use a diagnostic scan tool to perform a proper ECM reset. After the reset, your engine can finally run at peak efficiency again, using accurate information from your newly cleaned parts. Trick 8. Use high-quality fuel. Here's a simple secret that many drivers ignore. Always use high-quality fuel if you want your engine to run like new again. You might think all gasoline is the same, but that's not true. Cheap fuel from unknown stations can contain fewer detergents and more impurities. Over time, this low-quality fuel leaves carbon deposits on your fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. While using top-tier fuel brands like Shell, Chevron, BP, or Exxon can make a big difference. Why? Because these fuels contain special cleaning agents that help keep your engine clean as you drive. These detergents break down and prevent carbon buildup and keep your fuel system and combustion chambers cleaner for longer. Some drivers even notice quieter engine operation and smoother acceleration after switching to top-tier fuel. That's all for this video. 8 powerful methods that will make your engine run like new again. So what are you waiting for? Try these steps and feel your car roar back to life. See you in the next video.